Hi guys! Today we're making my version of shrimp scampi from the Giovanni food truck from Hawaii. I was fortunate to have my family from Oahu take us there about 6 years ago. It was so delicious and I realized it's popular for a reason. Who doesn't like garlicky, buttery shrimp? So let's get started. The ingredients we're going to be using today are 1 pound of shrimp, 3 tablespoons of flour, 2 teaspoons of paprika, 1 head of garlic peeled and minced, 1 stick of butter, lemon slices, and crushed red pepper flakes if you want some heat. Begin by seasoning shrimp well with salt and pepper. In a bowl, mix together flour and paprika and season with salt and pepper. Mix until well combined. Combine shrimp with flour mixture. You could do this by mixing it together in a bowl or placing it in a resealable bag and shaking it around. You want to make sure that all the shrimp is well coated. In a pan, melt butter over medium heat. Once butter has melted, stir in the garlic. I know this may look like a lot of garlic, but trust me, this is how they served it at the food truck and it's so delicious. You can season the garlic with a little bit of salt. Cook while stirring constantly for 2 minutes. But be careful, you don't want to burn the garlic. Remove and set aside. Wipe pan clean and heat a little bit of oil over medium-high heat and cook the shrimp. Cook shrimp until cooked through. This will take about 1 to 2 minutes depending on how big the shrimp are. You could leave the shell on or use peeled shrimp. For this recipe, I like to use peeled with the tail on. You'll have to cook the shrimp in 2 batches. When the last batch is done cooking, return the rest of the shrimp back to the pan along with the garlic butter. Mix to combine and remove from heat. I love how the paprika gives it this gorgeous red-orange color. For the full written recipe, I have everything written in the description below. You guys, I can't wait to eat this. Serve it over rice and don't forget to squeeze some lemon juice on top. You could also add some crushed red pepper flakes for some heat. This really brings me back to all those great memories we had in Hawaii. Can't wait to be back there again. This shrimp is so flavorful with all that garlic and butter. Heavenly. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel. Feel free to take a look at my other recipes and make cooking videos weekly. Thanks for watching and see you next time.